What's up, y'all? Out here, we're doing a little work on the Chevelle. It's nice out, sunny out, clear skies today. All of the sun hasn't made its way around my house yet in the back, but thought I'd get a little bit of paint work in. It's about 50 degrees, so fairly warm temps for this time of year, so I thought I'd take advantage. But I'm painting. I've actually painted a lot here the past couple days since it's been sunny. So these are the kick panels here that the guy gave me. Also painted my lid on my center console and some other pieces as well for the dash and all that. But turned out pretty good. I still got one more coat to go and possibly one more light coat after that if I don't like how it turned out. But it's turned out pretty good, y'all. I use this SEM Trim Black, and this is specifically for it to match the OEM color black in the old school cars. That's the part number right there, 39143 by SEM. I got it at Wesco. Yeah, it's turned out okay. It's a little bit blotchy right here. I probably could have lightly scuffed it up a little bit, because this part was faded and then this part still had a little bit of the old good coloring or good paint on it, or whatever you want to call it. Some of it was flaking off, and I didn't really want to take sandpaper to it or a red Scotch-Brite pad or anything like that. I guess I could have went gray and kind of scuffed it up lightly, but I didn't really want to ruin the texture on it. But it should be okay. If for some reason if it starts to flake off or it doesn't turn out good later on down the road, then I'll take it back out and just redo it. But yeah, it turns out pretty dang good, you know, for all doing it myself. So anyways, this video is just going to be really quick. I still got a lot of other stuff to do. Got to help my girl move, because I'm taking the plunge, y'all. The girl is moving in, and so it'll be a good situation, y'all. So you know, she basically stays here anyway, and she pays rent at a place that she doesn't even live in, so just makes sense. Plus we've been going together for some time, and she's really good to me, man. And so thought, hey, just go ahead and move in. But anyways, just don't want to get sidetracked. But yeah, here it goes. So SEM Trim Black on all your plastic interior parts you can use it on. It has an adhesion promoter in it, so you can apply it to most plastics in your car. So yeah, all right, y'all, I'll holler at y'all later, and have a good blessed day, and we'll talk soon. Peace out.